schools prepare to reopen, there are many questions about how to manage children's anxiety about going back to school, as well as the safety measures in place when they do return. We spoke to two experts about back-to-school prep and protocol and got answers to your questions. First up, on mental health, Dr. Charles Pascal provided some advice on how to handle anxious little ones.
It's about whether this is unusual, anxiety about it, or just simply the natural, expectations about something new. Parents know their kids best. And the notion of, if you feel, based on direct information from the school, social distancing has been able to be managed by that particular school. And that's a problem across the province because of the lack of provincial resources. But if the social distancing is there and everything else is in place, pushing the child just a little bit beyond that natural thing. But if the anxiety is high, you got to respect that, because you don't want to create further issues of stress. How parents have these discussions have to be with as much calm as possible.
And when it comes to physical health, we also spoke with Toronto's Associate Medical Officer of Health, Dr. Vinita Dubey, who explained that there are plans in place if a child begins to show symptoms of COVID-19 in school.
That's part of the protocols that school boards have had to develop. It includes a wellness room or an isolation room where if there's a sick child or even a staff who can't go home right away, they are to go into that room. There are precautions in place, personal protective measures, cleaning precautions, so that the child could wait with observation until they can be picked up. And then there are measures in place to make sure that the place is clean, that the staff who are there are wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, for example.
We have lots more with both the doctors on our websites citynews.ca and 680news.com. Point your phone camera to the code on the screen you see right now, and a link will pop up to take you directly to that page. For City News, I'm Dilshad Burman.